Welcome to Lagrange, your all-in-one platform for securely storing and deploying code. As a Lagrange user, you can explore a variety of spaces, from advanced AI spaces such as Stable Diffusion, music generation, to classic games like Pac-Man, Tetris. While direct interaction with other user spaces is possible, we recommend forking one and building a space tailored to your specific preferences and needs. For detailed instructions on how to fork and build a space, please refer to our video tutorial. Most spaces come with a space card page where you can learn how to use them. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of using the Stable Diffusion space to generate images from text. Let's dive in. Each space is supported by multiple computing providers. If one encounters an error, you can easily switch to another for uninterrupted usage. Enter a text describing the image you want to generate here. For example, you could type a scenic photograph of a beach at sunset. Configure your desired settings, such as image size and sampling method. For this tutorial, let's leave the defaults. When you're ready, click on Generate, and Stable Diffusion will create an image based on your text prompt. Once the image is generated, you can zoom in to explore details and even download the image to your computer. For more options, click the icon and select LoRa, which gives you a list of different LoRa models to choose from. In this example, I'll choose the Add Detail model. The prompt now includes the trigger word for this LoRa model. For a more elaborate example, let's create a fancy picture and fine-tune the settings. Once all settings are in place, click Generate to produce images using this specific LoRa model. All of these images look great. You can save or download your favorite one for future use. Start creating today with Lagrange and transform your imagination into reality.